Hello and welcome to our video where we will reveal the secrets of earning passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. If you're seeking a method to generate money while using your skills and knowledge, this video is for you. We will walk you through the steps of becoming a ChatGPT and Midjourney AI Pro. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. First and foremost, what exactly is AI? AI is an abbreviation for artificial intellect, which refers to the creation of intelligent computers capable of doing activities that would ordinarily need human intellect, such as interpreting natural language, recognizing pictures, making judgments, and learning from experience. To imitate intelligent behavior in computers and other devices, AI employs algorithms, statistical models, and machine learning approaches. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model created by OpenAI utilizing the GPT 3.5 architecture. It can produce human-like text answers to a broad variety of natural language inputs, making it perfect for use in conversational AI applications. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast corpus of text data, allowing it to comprehend linguistic subtleties and answer to inquiries with excellent accuracy and relevancy. ChatGPT can speak on a wide range of topics and change its replies based on context, making it a useful tool for improving human-machine interaction. Midjourney AI is an artificial intelligence-powered customer care platform that assists organizations in providing excellent client experiences. It analyzes client interactions and provides customized replies in real time using powerful natural language processing and machine learning techniques. Midjourney AI can manage several languages, channels, and customer concerns at the same time, allowing for seamless customer interactions across many touchpoints. The platform also offers useful insights and analytics to assist firms in identifying trends, optimizing operations, and increasing customer happiness. Businesses may use Midjourney AI to simplify their customer service operations and give a human-like experience to their customers, resulting in increased loyalty and revenue growth. Let's move on to some innovative methods to get passive money with ChatGPT. First is to write an ebook. If you're an expert in a specific topic, you can create an online course and utilize ChatGPT to generate course content. You can generate high-quality content fast and effortlessly using ChatGPT. Simply enter the topic or theme of your ebook and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. You may then sell your ebook on services such as Amazon Kindle or Apple Books, earning royalties on each sale. Second is to create a course. You can develop a complete and high-quality course in a fraction of the time it would take to create it from the start using ChatGPT. You can then offer your course on services such as Udemy or Skillshare, earning a passive income from each student that enrolls. Third is to generate blog posts. If you have a blog, ChatGPT can help you create high-quality blog entries on a range of themes. Simply enter your blog post's topic or theme and ChatGPT will generate a well-written and informative article. You could then monetize your blog by using advertising or affiliate marketing to generate passive money from each click or transaction. Fourth is to create social media content. Social networking is an excellent approach to reach a larger audience and generate passive money. ChatGPT allows you to quickly and simply create interesting and useful social media content. You can then monetize your social media profiles with sponsored posts or affiliate marketing, generating passive money with each click or transaction. Lastly, you can offer content creation services using ChatGPT. You could offer your skills as a content developer and utilize ChatGPT to generate material for your clients if you have the talent for it. You could then charge a price for your services and generate passive money from each finished job. ChatGPT is a tool for earning passive money in a variety of ways. It can help you save time and develop high-quality content quickly and simply, whether you're writing an ebook, producing a course, generating blog entries, creating social media content, or selling content production services. Next topic is about how to earn passive money using Midjourney AI. In addition to assisting businesses, it allows people to make passive income by generating and selling their own AI models on the platform. The first step in constructing an AI model to sell on Midjourney AI is to identify a business problem that machine learning can address. This might range from forecasting consumer behavior to automating mundane operations. Once you've decided on a problem to solve, it's time to build your AI model. Python, TensorFlow, and Keras are just a few of the tools and approaches you can use to build your model. It's critical that your model be accurate, dependable, and scalable. You must train your AI model after it's been developed. This entails providing data to the model and enabling it to learn and improve over time. The more information you supply, the more accurate your model will be. After you've trained your model, you will need to put it to use on the Midjourney AI platform. This entails registering on the platform and uploading your model. You could then charge a fee for your model and begin earning passive money. Last but not least, you must market your AI model to potential buyers. This can be accomplished by providing a full explanation of your model and its capabilities, as well as examples of how it can be utilized to address real-world issues. Individuals can earn passive income by developing and selling AI models through Midjourney AI. You could begin earning money while helping businesses solve complicated issues by identifying a business challenge, constructing an accurate and trustworthy model, training it, and putting it on the platform. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has become an essential component of many businesses, including customer service and content development. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI are two AI-powered platforms that provide new ways to generate passive revenue. ChatGPT is a language model capable of producing human-like text responses to a wide range of natural language inputs. Individuals can earn passive income by creating high-quality content for ebooks, courses, blog posts, social media content, and content creation services using ChatGPT. Midjourney AI is an AI-powered customer service platform that uses natural language processing and machine learning techniques to give personalized responses in real time. Individuals could make passive money in addition to supporting businesses by building and selling their own AI models on the marketplace. Individuals must discover business challenges that machine learning can solve, create accurate and scalable AI models, train the models using data, and advertise their models to potential customers in both scenarios. Individuals can make passive money while assisting businesses in resolving complicated challenges in this manner. Overall, AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT and Midjourney AI provide individuals with unique chances to generate passive income while using artificial intelligence to improve corporate operations and consumer experiences. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. Remember that using ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, you can apply your talents and knowledge to help others while still earning money. If you have any other queries or ideas, please post them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.